this is after the hailstorm. It's like snow, but ice. A birdie! Do you see the birdie? The birdie of wisdom. Oh no, the birdie is gone. Fred, you're so close to me. Oh Fred! Oh Fred, you little bird! Oh, my socks are getting wet. Look at this, these. I don't care about my socks. Okay, so grab these ice balls and you just it tastes just like ice. And ice is pretty good called tastes like water. I think it was snowed over there. Yeah, so it was thundering and holy icebergs. Holy Toledo is what my friend would say. Just a bunch of ice. Get back! Fred's back!